according to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, to be righteous is to act in accordance with divine or moral law. And you're probably wondering, sasa antokezea wapi na righteousness huyu? We are just about to go into an election. We are going to elect leaders, and those leaders, I do not, it does not concern me what faith you adhere to. They must be righteous. You can't elect leaders that do not adhere to the law of God. The Bible, which I believe because I am a Christian, says in Proverbs chapter 29, verse 2, that when the righteous are in power, when the righteous rule, the city rejoices. And when the wicked perish, there are shouts of joy. But I am also a Kenyan, and what I have seen in this country which I love is that we are insistent on rejoicing when the wicked prosper, celebrating wickedness, as long as wickedness pays us some money. And we will actually say, such and such a person is righteous, but they are not giving money. So now, how can we vote for them? And I want to urge you and challenge you. Don't vote in wickedness because of money. The Bible also says that a righteous person leaves an inheritance for their children. My dear friend, if you don't already have children, you are going to have children at some point. Can you imagine giving birth to someone and then you leave them wickedness for an inheritance? Let that not be us. I want to challenge you again, regardless of what faith you adhere to. When you go to elect leaders, remember your children. Think about what you want them to live in. And then ask yourself, this person that I am voting for, are they going to make the land better for my offspring? Or will my offspring be one of those who wants to move to another place? Kwa wenyewe wenye their parents left them an inheritance. The third thing I want to say with regard to this nation is about our speech. Righteous people speak well of others. They are not always cursing, speaking obscenities. Right now, our land is so obscene. We sort of celebrate filth. If I put out a video like this one, it's probably going to be watched by 20 people at most. But if I were to start twerking, you would pick it up and share it. But that is not the way of righteousness. I challenge you in the name of God. Let us leave an inheritance to our children. Let them grow up knowing good things, how to be good, how to do good, how to act towards fellow humans. Not how to curse, how to swear, how to abuse others. Okay? Ni hayo tu.